Excited today because I'm bringing you a unique project that has been making wave. In fact, this project has additional 1 million users in just 24 hours. So amazing. So let's go to Telegram, the project called Bloom. Now, Bloom is your go-to app for crypto trading. Bloom is a crypto trading app. So it's built by about 5 former executives of Binance. Binance is number one ecosystem in terms of trading cryptocurrency, number one centralized system in the world. So these people have the experience, the fund, and then everything it takes to take this project high. So you have to join this project immediately. That is why I'm bringing you this update. So Bloom is an hybrid cryptocurrency trading platform. So let's go. When you click the link, it's going to take you down here through your Telegram. So when you come, you go to launch Bloom. And when you launch Bloom, you are right inside Bloom. See, I have gathered 1080 coin already. I've gathered 1087 Bloom already. Now, to really have Bloom, what you do is you start farming. Now, when you farm, it gives about 8 hours for it to give you about 57 or 54 Bloom. So you get 54 Bloom each 8 hours that you mine. So you click here to start farming. Then Bloom also, you see, it has started mining. So in the next 7 hours, 59 minutes, I'm going to come back to claim 54 units of Bloom. So Bloom also has game. So you'll be given this 5 diamond drop game. So when you click on this game, this is how you play the game. This is how you play the game. You click here on play. It will take you down here, and then you start tapping these green icons. You tap it as much as you can. You tap it to get them. So this is what increase your earning potentials. This is what increase. So as you're tapping them, you are getting them. See, tapping them. This is how you do it. And then wow, I have 104. So I will get them, and then you check my earning now has increased. So you can play again. And then they also have by following their Telegram. The first time you enter Bloom, you'll be given a thank you BP. Their token is called BP token. You'll be given 200 BP, and then you follow their Telegram to have 90. You follow their X to have 90. You follow their CEO. When you go to follow their CEO, you see that those that are behind the project are high profile individuals. So you don't have to joke with it. You follow this, you follow all of them, and then your Bloom will just bloom up to this amount or more. So you can also play the game again by clicking on the game, and then you start playing the game. So this Bloom is a very unique project that I would like you to see you there. So don't waste time. Get into Bloom now. Thank you. Like, follow, and subscribe.